Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Credit Suisse Vet launching $200 million crypto options trading fund. CK Zhang, formerly the global head of valuation risk at European investment bank Credit Suisse, is targeting a $200 million fundraise for a new crypto hedge fund. The Wall Street Vet has joined forces with Felix Zhu and Yumu Zhu to launch CX² Capital, which will deploy strategies in crypto options to help deliver better returns with less volatility, according to Zhang. We can use options in a way that can substantially reduce volatility, Zhang told the block in an interview. Options, a type of derivative, out and act on carbon reduction strategies. The project is committed to building a blockchain-enabled digital innovation platform that serves the burgeoning low-carbon economy, while catering for business and governmental needs through a rapidly deployable system. Proudly, the carbon contributes to China's carbon neutrality strategy and contributes to global sustainable development goals by tackling the emissions from a wide array of industries including chemical, building materials, food and beverage, paper, transportation and more. We expect the carbon to be able to scale rapidly in the coming years in line with growing demand for digital carbon management services. The Carbon's Food Carbon Management Platform, the United Nations Global Corporate Net Zero Pathway, highlighted the many urgent challenges facing global food production. Produce goes through multiple production stages before it reaches the table, including R&D, harvesting, storage, processing, distribution and ultimately, retail, all of which generate greenhouse gases. Marketplace. The company continues to evaluate payment methods to become, as emphasized by its CEO, more appealing to the so-called Gen Z consumers. For the report, eBay is implementing different strategies to attract younger generations by particularly focusing on shoes and other categories. Vechain added, "We're not accepting crypto currently, but on March 10th, we're going to go deeper on all of these things, payments, advertising, our focus categories. Integrating with eBay could represent a significant expansion in terms of adoption for cryptocurrencies." The platform has an estimate of 187 million users worldwide, a metric that has seen steady growth since 2010. Will March 10th be the date for a Bitcoin eBay integration? Vechain addressed the 1 March, a series of trading competitions will take place. First, Vechain's native CEX, AustralianX, will host a 2-week event consisting of farming and trading events, with VOOS rewards for participants. Vechain's first X, will hold a 2-week event following AustralianX and Vechain. The latest X to join the fray will follow after that. More details on trading pairs and competition rules will be announced by each respective exchange in due course. VOOS stablecoin launch, the first step of many of course. The launch of the VOOS stablecoin is just the first step on a long path. To ensure a prosperous journey ahead, the Vechain Foundation intends to support community developers with the tools and tech they need to help them thrive in the future. In their ecosystem for many years now, and we are eternally grateful. As we enter a phase of rapid growth for blockchain technology, Vechain's position as a global leader in delivering real-world products and services puts it at the center of what's to come. With native protocols such as fee delegation as a service, DAOs that allow X nodes to become gas stations for on-chain projects and users, we believe X nodes will find a special place in this new digital economy. A snapshot of all X nodes will be taken on 14 March, 0 o'clock UTC-0. There are no requisite criteria to receiving the airdrop. Users will receive their VOOS gift during the week commencing 14 March. Airdrop values are detailed below. Jolner X nodes, $630. The date of mainnet launch Thunder X nodes, $314. The launch date of VOOS Strength X nodes, $180. The Vechain token standard, VIP 180. Ether X nodes, $101. The number of authority masternodes. We are always thinking of ways to provide greater inclusion for X nodes, and will continue to provide benefits to this special community in the future. Trading competitions on AustralianX, Vechain, and Vechain with VOOS prizes to celebrate the launch of VOOS. Beginning week commencing 21 March, a series of trading competitions will take place. First, Vechain's native sex, X, will host a 2-week event consisting of farming and trading events with boost rewards for participants. Vechain's first X will hold a 2-week event following X and Verkit. The latest X to join the fray will follow after that. More details on trading pairs and competition rules will be announced by each respective exchange in due course. VUS stablecoin launch, the first step of many of course. The launch of the VUS stablecoin E2 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0. 16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0. 30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.